Are you a student, employee, don't have money but you wanna start trading right away? Guys, in this video, I'm gonna give you a successful roadmap that can take you from 0 to 5 lakh, 10 lakh or 20 lakh rupees within 1 year, depending upon your level and risk-bearing capabilities. Now guys, who am I to give you trading tips and trading strategies? Guys, I'm in this crypto industry and I'm into trading from very long time. And I've made tens of thousands of percent in returns. Yes guys, I made a lot of profit in trading. And also yes, I'll be honest, I've lost a lot of trades also. Many of my trades are running in profit, but few are running in losses. About $5,000 in loss, I think. Guys, no trader in this world is 100% profitable. There will be profit and there will be losses also. Guys, you should have the mindset to overcome losses and you should use all the resources that is available to you. And also remember that trading is a powerful tool that can take any person from nothing to extremely wealthy, and it can also make a wealthy person lose everything and come onto the streets. So guys, stay with me. In this video, I'm gonna teach you all the secrets on how to start trading. Guys, video is gonna be a lengthy one. If you wanna change your life financially, then you need to watch the video till the end without skipping. Okay guys, now before we start this video, in case if you're new to this channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Now guys, I have to tell you an harsh reality. If you don't have money, then you cannot trade and trading cannot make you rich. And if your expectation is like converting $1,000 into 5 lakh rupees or 10 lakh rupees, that's not gonna happen. You can become rich in trading, but only if you have decent amount of money with you. Now guys, many of you might ask me that, Vasu, you told us that you came to this crypto industry with just 17,000 rupees. So how come you achieved all this with just 17,000 rupees? Guys, when I came to this industry, I just went with spot trading, and in just 1 week time, I made 20x returns by doing nothing. So slowly I came to this futures trading with money. So without funds, you cannot do anything. Guys, in the title I mentioned how to start trading without investment, right? But here I'm telling you that you need funds to trade. Guys, don't get me wrong. I'll show you how to start trading with zero investment. So the important topics that I'll be covering in this video is how to arrange funds for trading even though you have zero funds now, how to learn trading by yourself, how to start trading, how to minimize all your risks, and at the end, I'll be giving you my personal tips that I have learned over these years. Okay, now if I were you, and if I was to start today from zero without any money, then I would consider doing the steps immediately. The first 3 to 5 months, I'll not enter the market. I'll spend most of my time and most of my energy in gathering funds. Now, how do I do that? First is save as much as you can from your pocket money. Stop eating outside in restaurants, hotels, uninstall Swiggy, Zomato or whatever you have. Stop spending unnecessarily when you're out with your girlfriend or friends. Try to make some kind of passive side income. In case if you're not able to achieve that, then try to participate in crypto airdrops at least. If you actively participate in top genuine crypto airdrops, then I can guarantee you that in the next 1 year time, you can easily make 1 lakh rupees in income. And in case if you have a job with 20,000 or 30,000 rupees in salary, and after all the expenses, if you can save like 2,000 to 5,000 rupees, then that's a good thing. But most people will hesitate to put this hard-earned money on trading. Now listen guys, if you wanna make money, then you should come out of your comfort zone and you should take risk. If you don't take risk, then you cannot achieve anything and you cannot earn money. Now let's assume that somehow you manage to arrange 20,000 to 30,000 rupees. And if you lose, hardly what can happen? You'll just lose this 30,000 rupees and it might affect you for few weeks time. But if that works out, then it can change your life. Now guys, I have to clear one thing. Don't borrow money or take loans from your family members, relatives or friends. It will not work out guys. If you do that, then you will definitely spoil your relationship with them, and at the end nothing will work out and you lose everything. And one small personal advice, you can take it or leave it. If you borrow money from your friends, family members or relatives, it's like taking a snake and putting in your pants. So if you don't have money now, don't trade, okay? Take your time, earn your own money and later come into the industry. Okay, now after 2 to 3 months, if you have managed to arrange like 20,000 to 30,000 rupees, that's a great thing. And in case if you could manage like just 2 to 3,000 rupees, that's also fine. So once you have arranged funds for trading, the next step is to learn trading by yourself. Guys, it doesn't matter like whom you're following or what you're following. The only important thing is you should know something about trading, and you should know how to manage risk. So if you're a starter, then obviously you'll be having no idea whatsoever on trading. So to help us new dedicated traders, I'll be starting a new video series on trading on my channel, where I'll be covering topics like support and resistance, complete candle reading series, trading plan tutorial, how to use technology, and how to find out liquidity, how to protect your capital, how much risk you should be willing to take, how to identify the market sentiments, how to keep your emotions in control, when to enter and exit the trade, how to diversify your portfolio, and how to use stop loss and take profit, and how to recognize the bull and bear market patterns. Guys, complete for each and everything, I'll make a separate dedicated video, and I'll cover the topic and I'll explain everything. And in this series, this is my first video. And guys, one more thing, if you want to trade immediately and don't want to wait, then you can trade using my signals that I share on my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel link in the description down below. Okay, the first step is you should manage 5,000, 10,000 or 20,000 rupees capital for trading. Second is you will learn trading on this channel slowly. Until then, for trading, you can use my signals that I share on my Telegram channel. Now the third step is how and where to start trading. Guys, for this you can try out national or international platforms, exchanges, which is available in the market right now. Guys, if you want the option to deposit INR from your bank account to that exchange, then you can try the Indian exchanges like CoinDCX exchange. The best Indian exchange right now is CoinDCX. You can directly link your bank account to CoinDCX exchange, and you can deposit and trade futures directly with INR. So after depositing, with Indian rupees, you can directly trade on futures, or you can convert the INR into USDT and you can trade on futures. It's up to you. And guys, if you trade futures on CoinDCX, then it's not subjected to 30% tax and 1% TDS. Now, when it comes to international exchanges, you will not have the option to deposit INR directly from your bank account. You will have to buy USDT using a P2P method, or you'll have to find some other method. Guys, I've already made a lot of videos on my channel like how to buy USDT using different methods. You can check those videos out. So guys, when it comes to international exchanges, you can try BingX exchange, Bitunix exchange, CoinX exchange, BitGet exchange. Bitunix exchange and CoinX exchange, KYC is not compulsory. Just create an account using a phone number or email ID and you can start using the account. Guys, whichever exchange you're comfortable with, you can go with that exchange. It's up to you. Okay. And all the exchange links will be in the description down below. Now guys, after you select an exchange and have funds on that exchange, the next step is you should know like how to trade futures on that particular exchange. Guys, just go through my channel once. I've made a detailed tutorial videos on how to trade futures on specific exchanges like CoinDCX, BitGet, Bitunix, BingX, CoinX, etc. etc. So watch those tutorial videos and learn like what is cross mode, isolated mode, what is leverage, what is stop loss, take profit, each and everything. Okay, now after selecting an exchange, after investing, after learning how to trade on futures, now what's the next step? Now the next step that you should consider doing while doing futures trading is you should minimize all your risks, and the main this thing is you should protect your capital. Guys, in futures trading, it's very easy to get liquidated and blow up your account. So if you protect your capital or investment, you can trade tomorrow, you can trade after 1 week, or you can trade after 1 month. The first preference is you should protect your capital, your investment. Without that, you cannot do anything. Now guys, one more important thing is don't FOMO, fear of missing out. Guys, the market will give you thousands of chances, okay? So don't FOMO whenever the market is pumping or whenever the market is dumping. And try avoiding taking too many trades all at once. Guys, it's completely okay if you take one trade in 1 day, or one trade in 1 week, or even 1 or 2 trades in 1 month. It's fine. And keep your emotions in check. Don't let your emotions manipulate your trade. In case, if you open a trade now, and if you face losses, stop trading immediately and take a break. Don't let your emotions rule, okay? Don't open a new trade again to recover that losses. So if you go behind like recovering like what you lost, then again you will lose your capital. So don't do that mistake. Guys, upcoming videos will be very interesting, and I'll be teaching you so many things. So don't miss that video. Okay guys, now don't forget to follow me on my Telegram channel for signals. My Telegram channel link will be in the description of this video. Alright, now guys, please do drop a like on this video, and if you have any doubts regarding this topic, also drop that in the comment section down below. And guys, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. If you're a subscriber, then I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, peace.